chicken, potato, ginger and garlic paste, yogurt, national biryani masala, spices in description. Put all these in pot and marinate. Chicken. Leave for half hour. Amount of ingredients also. Mention in description. Now time to marinate. Mix well in pot. Ready, now put potatoes. Six to 7 potatoes. Mix well. WD. Marinated. Chicken. Now time to fry 3 onion. Love onion in biryani. Meanwhile, let's boil the rice. On, flame on. Now time to put marinated chicken potato in frying onion. Cook with onion leaf for 20 minutes until chicken and potatoes soft. Meanwhile, in boiling rice, put garam masala, all spices. Now time to layers. Put. Chicken layer, then rice. Also put some green chilies. And lemons are also mint. Or coriander, and don't forget to put tomato. The tomatoes taste in biryani is amazing. Put some oil on top. Now time to cover. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Yum, now ready. Serve with salad or raita. Kindly subscribe.
Thanks for watching.